Hi everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, the SNS of Architecture College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about design processing human-computer interaction. Already we know that human-computer interaction means the interaction between computer and human can be done. So there are a lot of variety of ways for communicating between the human and the computer. First, we see about the human. Human can interact with a computer either through the eyes or ears and mouth. That is a conversation between the eyes, mouth and ear between the human and the computer. They can operate the system by using text entry devices, pointing devices, etc. Today we are going to see about the design process of the human computer interaction. What are the different designs? What are the different steps we have to identify when using the designs? So first of all, the interaction design basics. The interaction that is design means what is it? Intervention, goal, constraints. What are the different goals we have to achieve? Different goals we have to achieve. What are the different constraints we have to face? But that means this process and design. The design process, what happens when that is if we want to achieve a goal, what are the different processes we have to face and when user who are they, who they are like, what is the uses of particular design, who will operate that we have to implement. Scenarios, the story of design, navigation means define our way around the system, interaction, and prototypes that is never get it right from prototype. Next, design. What it is? Invention, goal, and constraints. That means design means what is that? What is the purpose of designing? What are the needs of designing? What goals we have to achieve? What are the steps we have to find out? What are the constraints we have to face? All these we have to know. Secondly, design process. What happened when? That is, after designing, what are the different processes we have to face? User, who are they? Who will operate the design? Who are the customers to handle the design? Who they are like? How they are like? How they will accept our needs? How we have to satisfy their needs? Scenarios with story of the design. It means we have to create some implementation for achieving the goals. Navigation means finding our way around a system. That means we have to find the exact environment for doing the project. Designing plans. I'm saying designing. So we have to have a clear-cut idea of navigating between the given user requirement and the goal. Iteration and prototype never get it right first time. That is, first time we have to design a project in the correct manner. Next, achievement goals and consent. So goal means it is a purpose. Who is it for? Why do they want? What's the purpose of designing? Why we have to achieve the goal? We have to understand before designing the process. Constraint means what are the material required, what are the platform required, what are the configuration required for designing the system. We have to know this. Next, this is the steps involved in designing process. What is wanted, what are the analyzing steps, how we have to make a design, what are the implementation and deployment, what are the prototypes we have to face. Just I'm saying simple example. If we have to do a project, we have to follow certain steps. First one is concept requirement gathering. Before starting, we have to understand what is requirement. What are the requirements we have to achieve? First of all, we have to know that. Second thing, we have to gather the information. We have to collect the information from different area for doing the project. After that, after collecting the information, we have to make an analysis whether the information is correct or not. It suits the current situation, whether it will reach the goal or not. We have to analyze everything. After that, we have to make a design. Designing needs some model for presenting our project. It should be satisfy the customer needs. After that, we have to implement and deploy. Implementation can be done by using different prototypes. Prototypes means we have to maintain some constraints, that is, some rules, regulation for framing, designing, and implementation process. Before it should be handed over to the customer, it should be verified by the concern management. After that, again it goes to the analyzing stage. Again they have to implement the design. Again it will be verified. After that, it will be implemented and given to the user. User after that, they will operate the given model if there is any error. Or if they face, they have to change any modulation. Again they will move to the first step, that is gathering of the requirement. They will convey their feedback to the designers. Designer will collect the information, they will make a modification. After that, they will analyze this, again they have to design, they have to frame some prototype, they have to execute the results. Let me consider in the methodology, that is what is wanted, that is scenarios and task analysis required by the human. What are the scenarios we have to analyze? Before that, what is wanted? Interview, ethnography, what is there versus what is wanted. What is there? What is there already? What is there? What we want to develop first, we have to analyze. After that, we have to take an analyzing, that is task analyzing. After that, we have to frame some principles. Then they have to move around the prototype, that is dialogue notation, evaluation heuristic. We have to evaluate the given data, given prototype is correct or not. After analyzing, same step can be repeated. At last, previous specification can be given to the implementation. That is architecture. After the architecture, documentation can help to given to the customers. From this, we have learned about process of designing.